Hi, and welcome to our Camect support video on PDK integration. Now, this video assumes that you have a PDK account, you've already gone through the authentication, everything you need to do to log in, and you see this screen. From here, you're going to want to go to System Settings. Now, I have previously linked my hub, so there'll be one step that you won't see. But if I go to Integrations, I want to go here to Camect, and under Configure, I would first have to sign into my Camect Hub. Now, since I've already signed in, it already has connected me to this account. I'm going to click here. I want to make sure that I have linked that site. And now I'm going to go and click the wrench icon. And here I can add keypad, different devices. I'm going to delete them and show you what it looks like to add them. If I click Link a Device, I'm going to go here. I'm going to go under the actual system, and I have these three devices I want to link. And I'm going to click OK. Now, notice when I mouse over, you'll see a watermarked image of the controls for each of those devices. And I can click on them, and it's a successful test. And that is how to integrate Camect with PDK.
Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos from Camect, and hit the notification button to be notified of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.